Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do 3 quick and easy hairstyles that you can recreate in under 5 minutes. I'm starting with this simple half up, half down hairstyle. I've started with curly hair, but this works just as good on straight hair. Starting on the right hand side, leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face, then divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear. And we're going to pull this straight back and add an elastic band about an inch away from the head. Then make a hole above that elastic band and flip those ends through the hole so you create a couple of twists. Next, add some texture powder over those twists. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at each one of those twists to create more texture and volume. Bring this to the back of the head and secure with a bobby pin or two. And we're going to repeat on the left hand side, so leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Take a section of hair from the top of the head to just above the ear. Pull this straight back and add your elastic band about an inch away from the head. Create a hole above that elastic band with your fingers and then flip those tail ends all the way through that hole to create a twist. Add some more texture spray all over your twists and pinch and pull them apart. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, please hit that subscribe button below. Bring this to the back of the head, lift up the first twist and just tuck that little elastic band underneath and secure with a couple more bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. This hairstyle also looks great on straight hair. Okay, moving on to hairstyle number 2. This one's really quick and it's just a messy half up, half down hairstyle. To start, we're going to gather the crown section of the hair and tie this into a ponytail at the back of the head. And then just loosen up by pinching and pulling the hair at the crown. Then we're going to pull up one strand of that elastic band and pop 2 fingers through the strand. Take that ponytail and I'm going to wrap it up and over the top of both fingers and then pull the ends through the middle. Pinch it together to hold it and start pulling it through the elastic bands. Don't pull it all the way through, just part way. Should have this nice little knot. And I'd like it a little bit messier, so I'm going to add some texture powder to the top of the head and again pinch and pull until you get the look that you want. And here's the finished look. I like how quick and simple this one is. Okay, now moving on to the third and last hairstyle. It's this beautiful voluminous half up, half down. I've started with wavy hair, but this can work on straight hair as well. So starting on the right hand side, I'm going to leave a bit out to frame the face and take a section of hair from the top of the ear to the middle of the crown at the back. Comb this back with your fingers and secure into a ponytail with an elastic band. And we're going to repeat the same size section on the left hand side and pop it into a ponytail. Next, I'm going to add some texture powder all over the top of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gently pinch and pull for some more volume. Starting with the left hand ponytail, I'm going to divide this in half and then simply wrap the sections around one another to create a loose twist. Secure it with an elastic band at the end. And then all I'm going to do is take the end of that twist, fold it up so it meets the top of the twist, pinch them together and secure it with another elastic band so you're creating a little twisted loop. Then repeat on the right hand side, so split in half, wrap the sections around one another and add your elastic band. Bring the end of that twist up to the top, pinch together and secure with another elastic band. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on new uploads. So you should have 2 little twists. Now starting with the right hand loop, I'm going to pop my fingers through the middle of it, and then I'm going to grab the whole left hand side and pull it all the way through so they switch sides. Hold to the head and secure all around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. Gently use your fingers to pinch and pull at each loop and twist of that bun for more volume and texture. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comment section below.